Okay, they're just fascinated because what I ordered was chicken with curry paste. And as I said earlier, the lady asked me how hot I wanted it. And I told her hot but not crazy. So now I'm going to taste it.
And he hasn't tasted it previously before
No,
now.
it's about 10,000 degrees hot. And it is spicy, very spicy. I have a feeling what's going to happen. My tongue is tingling, and it's probably one of those going to be an after effect. A little rice, and I have this refreshing lemon smoothie. That'll help.
I have this drink.
See, they were worried, but I'm fine for now. Thank you for watching.
Cut.